Are you acting on knowledge? Are you doing amal on the ilm, on the knowledge which you learnt? Are you doing it or not? If we are not doing it, we are losing. It's our loss. Allah says, وَتَنْسَوْنَ أَنفُسَكُمْ. Do you forget yourself? Allah says in that verse, Surah Baqarah verse 44, أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ. Don't you have aql? Aren't you intelligent? My brothers and sisters, don't forget yourself. We should remember, it's recorded in Sunan Tirmidhi with the authentic chain of narration, that on the day of judgment, a person will not be able to move his feet. لا تزول قدم ابن آدم يوم القيامة من عند ربه. A person will not be able to even move his feet in front of his Lord. حتى يسأل عن خمس. Until he does not reply to 5 questions. And among the 5 questions, the 5th question is, ماذا عمل فيما علم. What did you do? What amal you did on that which you knew? What you knew, what amal you did on it? What did you act on it? So my brothers and sisters, we should be foremost, inshallah, in acting on what we know. And this is the fruit of ilm. When you are acquiring knowledge, the smell of that should be there in your action. As scholars have pointed out, and how beautifully they have said, they said, knowledge knocks on the door of amal. If amal opens the door, knowledge will stay. Otherwise, knowledge will go away. That knowledge which we act on, that knowledge gets preserved by our action.